is the value of x given that you have open parenthesis 2 plus x to the power of 4 equals 16. Then let's say we want to apply first method. Let's say method 1. We must note that we can have 16 to be equals 2 to the power of 4. So from here, if 16 equals 2 to the power of 4, when we put it here, we are going to have 2 plus x in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 2 to the power of 4. Then let us recall that when we have a to the power of m to be equals b to the power of m, this implies that a equals b. So from here, this will implies that we are going to have x 2 plus x to be equals 2. So far the power are the same. So we equate the base. And so from here we have x to be equals 2 minus 2 by taking this one to here, and this will give us 0. So therefore, the first solution x will be equals 0. So from here, x equals 0 is not the only solution for this problem given to us. So from now, let's see how to solve it. From here, recall that we have 2 plus x in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16. And we can also have 16 to be equals 4 to the power of 2. So here will now be 2 plus x in parentheses to the power of 2, again in parentheses to the power of 2, as this 2 times 2 will give us 4 equals 4 to the power of 2. Now, we can take this one to the side, meaning that we are going to have 2 plus x in parentheses to the power of 2, again to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. Because we are doing this in order to make sure that we apply difference of 2 square, we have this one to be power 2, this one is power 2, so we can easily have this as difference of 2 square. But before that, let's do something to this. When we have a plus b in parentheses to the power of 2 as this can be simplified as a square plus 2ab plus b square to only this, meaning we are going to have it from here to be, when we have 2 plus x to the power of 2, this will be 2 square plus 2a is 2, then b is x, plus b will be x square. And so this will now be equals 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4 times x will give us 4x plus x square. So let's substitute this one here, meaning we are going to have it as 4 plus 4x plus x square in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2, then equals 0. Then this one is in power 2, this one is also in power 2, difference of 2 square because of this negative. So recall that when we have a square minus b square always equals as a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses. So when we apply it here to this, the whole of this term in this parentheses will be our a, while 4 will be our b. Then we are going to apply the difference of 2 square. So here will now be a will be, we can also write this as x squared plus 4x plus 4 in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. So derivative from here will now be x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then b, we increase it with plus b, and our b is 4. So here will now be plus 4. Then multiply by, here will be x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then we decrease this one with b, and our b is 4. So here will now be minus 4. Then equals 0. So from here we have x squared plus 4x. 4 plus 4 will give us plus 8 in parentheses. Then multiply by x squared. This 4 will cancel this 4. We have plus 4x, then equals 0. So obviously from here, when we have this, is either we have x squared plus 4x plus 8 equals 0, or we have x squared plus 4x to be equals 0. So then let's solve this. Let's solve this first. So from here, let's see case 1. We can factor x from here. So here will now be x squared divided by x will give us x, plus 4x divided by x will give us plus 4, then equals 0. So for this again to be equal 0, is either we have x to be equal 0, this justify the previous solution, or we have x plus 4 to be equal 0. So we're going to have it from here to be x equals minus 4. This is another solution for the problem. Now let us solve for this as well. So from here, when we apply x to be equals minus b, positive or negative, roots of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is our quadratic formula. So we are going to have parameter a to be the coefficient of x squared, which is a equals 1, and parameter b the coefficient of x, which is 4, and c will be equals 8. So let's substitute everything here. We are going to have here to be x, here is minus b, here will be minus 4, positive or negative, roots of 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, multiplied by c is 8, then divided by 2 times 1. So we have x to be equals minus 4, positive or negative, root of 4 squared will be 16, meaning 4 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4 times 8 will give us 32, all divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals minus 4, positive or negative, root of 16 minus 32 will give us minus 16, then all divided by 2. But let us note that when we have square root of minus a equals as when we have root a multiplied by root of minus 1. So let's apply to this root of minus 16. X will be equals minus 4, positive or negative, root of 16 multiplied by root of minus 1, all divided by 2. But note that 16 is a perfect square, so we have it to be 4 to the power of 2. So here will be x minus 4, positive or negative, root of 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by root of minus 1 divided by 2. Then let us know that root of minus 1 will give us I. So we have x to be equals minus 4, positive or negative. This will cancel this, so we have here to be 4. Root of minus 1 equals I from a complex space. Here will be 4I divided by 2. Then when we distribute this 2 for this and this, here will be minus 4 divided by 2, positive or negative, 4I divided by 2. So we have x to be equals minus 4 divided by 2 will give us minus 2, positive or negative. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2I. So this is our complex solution, where we are going to have it as the previous solution is x equals 0 and minus 4. So this is the complex solution. Why these are the what? Real solution. Now to check, we have 2 plus x in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16. When x equals 0, from here we have 2. When x equals 0, we have 2 plus 0 in parentheses to the power of 4. Then it's going to give us 16. 2 plus 0 in parentheses will give us 2 to the power of 4, which equals 16. Meaning 4 times 4, this one equals 16 equals 16. The left hand side equal to the right hand side. So this is correct. Now again, when x equals minus 4, so from here we have 2, then minus 4, in parentheses to the power of 4 is going to give us 16. So from here we have 2 minus 4 will give us minus 2 to the power of 4 is going to give us 16. Mind you that when negative is raised to the power of even, so we have here to be positive, 2 to the power of 4, then equals 16. 16 equals 16. So far the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So x equals minus 4 also satisfy. So if you are new here once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos.